pull up to the light, the people all stare. Both niggas in the pins with the dreadlock hair. Smoke everywhere, waving at Madeline on the wood grain dabbins with the license plate rattling. Doing what we want to, hanging out the sunroof. Mentally ignorant, when we go dumb, dude. Gas break dip, we call it joking. Do a donut in your whip. We call it dose and get stupid. It's what we do good. Ghost ride the whip while we dancing on the hood. I'm amped, feeling good. I'm hiking a bitch face with the Diz face off of Nike. The women like me, I'm dipped in butter. I'll rob your brother, pimp the blood out your mother. I'm Mr. Stupid Doodle Dumb. Something terrible, tell them how we come.
We S-T-U-P-I-D. When we go to the club, we don't need ID. Everywhere we go, it's a party, y'all. We gon' get it crackin' like the Mardi Gras. Get stupid, get stupid, get stupid, get stupid. Go stupid, go stupid, go stupid. Come on, go stupid, go dog.
West side clown, gig so hard, make my pants fall down. This beat pounds. Cuddy, where'd you get it? You ain't know? Dr. Dre did it. I come with it, rapping and rhyming and dancing, pantomiming, acting like I'm driving. Then switch it up, dance like I'm fishing. See, in the Bay Area, we dance a little different. The Bay bounce to thizzle, the West Coast whistle. Dude, it get stupid. Come fuck with Drizzle. Call a hospital. He's having convulsions. No, he's getting stupid in his load. Yoking, is the stove still open? We need him, that privilege thing. That I mean.